Hi guys, I'm Amrut Deshmukh, your booklet guy. Pensive Nexus Studios and Cocktail Studio jointly present a very unique show called By the Book. So today we have a very special guest with us, Venkatesh Yadav. Welcome to the show By the Book. Thank you so much for coming.
Hi,
Uh,
Amrut. Thanks for inviting.
Welcome. Um, I said special guest because you have been a big source of inspiration for me. You know why? You are a perfect rags to riches story, running a very successful startup of your own. So, being social is the name of your startup. And so, when we decided which book to take up for discussion on this show, now we unanimously concluded a book on startup because I know you're very passionate to talk about startups. You're very active in the startup ecosystem. You're proud to be an entrepreneur. You are an entrepreneur. And so the book we chose was The Lean Startup. Okay, the subtitle is How Constant Innovation Creates Radically Successful Businesses, written by Eric Ries. Yeah, The Lean Startup. Just I'll explain the meaning of the word lean. Lean matlab small, with minimum create maximum. Frugal. The lean muscles का आजकल का ट्रेंड है ना, ऋतिक रोशन, गॉन आर दोज डेज जहाँ पे माचो लुक्स था पहले, लाइक संजय दत्त एंड सलमान खान. अभी थोड़ा लीन. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एनालॉजी what is the meaning of lean. Let's jump over to the definition given by the author of an entrepreneur or a startup co-founder. Very interesting. I mean, I just laughed when I read it. He says that entrepreneurship is like jumping off the plane on a high altitude, okay, and then finding out how to open the parachute. This is crazy.
Exactly.
तुमको पता नहीं क्या है, कूदो और फिर बाद में you figure out to correct the course along the way. You don't have a clear plan कि end तक क्या होने वाला है. You know? I love this phrase in Hindi. करके देखो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I love such people who say this, right? And you are one of them. See, 8 out of 10 startups fail. It's a statistic, universal statistic. Yeah? लेकिन तो दो चलते हैं ना, वो चलते नहीं, वो उड़ते हैं. Right? And I think your startup is one of those two. You have an interesting story. Yeah, I know when you shared it for the first time, I was like, wow, what a guy. Yeah, you had, because it is irrational to start your own startup, क्योंकि 10 में से 8 fail होते हैं. There's an obvious resistance from the family because family, out of love and affection, they like to be conservative, right? कौन चाहेगा ऊपर से छलांग अपने बेटे का छलांग लगाना? So could you just share that story of yours कि कैसे आपने वो उल्लू बनाया घर वालों को?
Okay, sure. So being social, ये जो company है, it's almost 6.5 years now. So 6 साल पहले I was just a graduate, engineering करके ख़त्म किया था. And engineering के time पे I had another company called Curionics, जहाँ पे we used to deal with electronic products. So that was going good. पूरे 3 साल engineering में वही कर, पूरे 4 साल में we started in the second year, me and 2 of my co-founders. But that didn't do as well when it came to the final year. And final year तक घर वाले मतलब अरे चलेगा कुछ तो side by side बच्चे कर रहे थे.
What was that startup about?
That was about IoT products, Internet of Things.
Internet of Things.
Internet of Things, and that is purely based on this lean startup model. Yeah.
But it was a flop.
It did well. We made 1 lakh rupees in 2 days with workshops and everything. So
In 2 days?
In 2 days. So we conducted workshops in our own college, and we made 1 lakh rupees by giving other students the knowledge that we gained in building IoT products. And since we were in an engineering college, Internet of Things ये बाकी students को भी बहुत interest था. And we were building some product on that. So उसी college पे जहाँ पे हम पढ़ते थे, वहाँ पे हमने workshop conduct करके उनसे हमने पैसा कमाया. So we made 1 lakh rupees in 2 days. You know, 21-year-old, you're super excited. 2 दिन में आपके हाथ पे 1 लाख रुपए है. You are crazy about it. But then we decided, you know, just like any young entrepreneur, okay, हर college में हफ्ते में एक workshop conduct करेंगे, लाखों कमाएंगे, set. So that was the vision we had. But then final exams होने के बाद 2 of my co-founders like job पे जाते, business is very risky and everything, they dropped the plan. So just one founder working on this business, it wasn't viable for me. Then घर वाले बोले इतने दिन तूने जो भी किया अभी जॉब पे फोकस कर. जॉब एकदम इट्स अ वेरी गुड सेटल थिंग. ओके, तेरे को जल्दी से सेटल होना है, 5-6 साल के बाद शादी करना है, लाइफ सेटल होना है. हमने इतना मेहनत किया तुझे पढ़ाई करने में, एवरीथिंग इट मेड सेंस. सो उनका बात सुना. देन आई वेंट टू अ जॉब एंड आइडोली बेस्ड एक कंपनी में, इट्स अ वेरी बिग MNC, जॉब मिला. after pool campus and everything, I was like sub sort. My parents are like super happy. Okay, पढ़ाई क्या, job मिल गया, all set. घर के problems ठीक हो जाएंगे, everything. So I got selected, गया interview वगैरह सब हो गया. So when I went for the job, it was Monday, Tuesday वो induction होता है, where they teach, this is our company and everything. The first day when I realized कि it was a proper cubicle setup. Okay, सब जैसे movies पे कहते वैसे ही लोग बैठ के काम कर रहे. I was not used to that setup. Okay, yes, we were used to that classroom setup जहाँ पे 60 people sit together and they study and they learn from the professors. And this was just another replica for me, at least from my perspective. So जब वो हुआ था, that is when कि भाई ये अपना नहीं है, something is wrong here. Monday को वो feel हुआ था. Tuesday भी गया था, नहीं, something is wrong, we need to do something. Wednesday में नहीं गया. Okay, I decided कि job छोड़ देना चाहिए. 2 दिन में. Okay, so on one side, my family is a middle class family. My parents are like super happy कि okay, बच्चा set हो गया. It's a very big MNC. इसके बाद job लग जाएगा, promotion, हमारे सारे financial problems sorted. But 2 दिन में I decided कि भाई ये अपने से नहीं होने वाला. We'll work out something else. Wednesday नहीं गया. Thursday को call आ गया कि क्या कर रहे हैं everything. I gave them a lie. मैंने बोल दिया कि घर में problem है. घर में बोल दिया कि ऑफिस पे प्रॉब्लम है. So I lied on both the places. Friday गया, I gave the resignation letter and I'm done. So and I felt a sense of relief जब वहाँ से मैं बाहर आया था. I just even remember and it's a MNC, right? So वहाँ पे automatic doors होते हैं. तो जैसे दरवाजा खोला बाहर आ गया, हो फ्री.
जिसके लिए लोग मरते हैं चकाचौंध के लिए, एसी की हवा, coffee vending machine, you felt suffocated in that.
Exactly.
That's a sign of an entrepreneur.
Okay, I mean उस टाइम पे like it was a relief. Okay, so मैं बाहर गया, क्या करने वाला है नहीं पता, कुछ नहीं पता, कुछ ना कुछ फिगर आउट कर ही लेंगे. Okay, just exactly like what you said, जो होगा दिखा जाएगा. This attitude has helped a lot. Okay, even in the worst cases or in my second business, being social, which is very active right now, कुछ भी problems आता है, चाहे client side हो या फिर चाहे leads हो, sales हो, कुछ भी problem हो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I've seen a lot of problems, ये क्या है, देखा जाएगा. So that attitude really helped a lot. So उसके बाद then I started being social, just like the principal in this book. Okay, I didn't get any huge investment. Okay, एक तो मेरे parents are not in a stage to provide me with money. Okay, उनसे तो पहले से मैंने झूठ बोल के रखा है. Okay, so
तुमने घर पे बोला नहीं कि तुमने जॉब छोड़ा है.
मैंने बोल दिया कि मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया. हाँ, जॉब छोड़ा बोला. Okay, but I also told them कि एक और जगह पे मेरे लिए जॉब रेडी है.
अच्छा.
Yeah, otherwise it would have been a huge problem. I said नहीं, एक और जगह पे जॉब रेडी है, मुझे एक हफ्ते में वहाँ पे ज्वाइनिंग हो जाएगा. So it was like I have a time of 7 days. कुछ ना कुछ उस टाइम पे करना ही है. Okay, so within that 7 days, I realized what I'm really good at. College time पे understood I'm really good in communicating. Okay, let's say connecting with students. So I thought, why not do marketing? Okay, but traditional marketing is very expensive. 25 लाख 1 करोड़ तक तो सिर्फ बैनर लगाने का जाता है. Let's try digital marketing. It is easier to learn. Something that I can do in a much faster pace. So एक हफ्ते में I learned digital marketing and then I started pitching in for clients. Okay, that's a very good principle in lean startup कि पहला customers लाओ, फिर बाकी सब set करो. Okay, because you need to have cash flow to run the startup, especially when you're in a beginning stage. It's one of the core principle in the book. So उस time पे I thought, okay, पहला clients लाते हैं, because clients रहेगा, पैसा आएगा, वो पैसा रहेगा, I can manage something. So I started cold calling. Okay, and this is like 6.5 years ago. I tried some 120 calls, rejected, just like how you come up with innovative ideas, rejected, and one person said, okay, meet me at Bandra. Okay, कल 2 बजे मेरे बांद्रा के क्लिनिक पे मिलो. He was a doctor. गया था उनसे मिलने. He said, okay, this thing. मैं उनको बोला मैं आपको ये सब करके दूंगा. It's like, okay, done. What's the costing? Then there was negotiation. नहीं इतने उतने. But he said yes.
Wow.
Okay, and then जो मेरा monthly salary था, I got it from one client. And that was crazy for me. Yeah, but like first client, and he's still my client, a very good friend. So that first client, that is where the cash flow came in. That is when उसके बाद मैं जाके company register किया.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is how the journey started.
फिर वो पैसा तुमने बोला कि पगार है और घर पे दिया रहेगा.
Yes. Yeah. So because in my parents aspect, लड़का जॉब में जा रहा. Okay, so मैं क्या करता था, वो जो पैसा क्लाइंट से आते थे, पगार करके मेरे घर पे देता. So they were happy.
Yeah. So every morning you were pretending that you are going on a job. But actually secretly you were working on your own startup.
Yes. So sometimes ऐसे आज work from home है, sometimes ऐसे आज meeting है, मुझे 2 बजे बॉस ने बुलाया. I said a lot of lies. Now this is the right time to tell them. Yeah. Because बहुत झूठ बोल दिया था तब तक तो. My parents are happy. Okay, monthly salary aa raha hai. Okay, they were not against business. They were against business at a young age. Okay, so before getting into another job, when I told them कि मैं business try करना चाहता हूँ, they were like कि नहीं business बहुत risky है, तो शादी होने के बाद, बच्चे होने के बाद फिर तू देख ले, क्योंकि तब तक तो settle हो जाएगा. ये उनका perspective था. I told them once that happens, it is already a lot of responsibilities. So उस time पे I will not be ready to take more responsibilities. Then my parents like वो तू देख ले. हाँ, वो तेरा पर्सपेक्टिव, वो तू देख ले.
गुड. बोलते बोलते तुमने मॉडेस्टली बोला कि आई कम फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली.
Yeah.
आई हैव बीन एट योर हाउस,
Yeah.
राइट, एंड यू लिव इन धारावी.
Yep.
व्हेन आई केम यू लिव इन धारावी.
Yes.
और धारावी में मैंने तुम्हारा घर देखा. इट्स बस्ती टाइप. यू डोंट लिव इन अ
Yes, exactly.
बिल्डिंग. और घर पे बहुत सारे लोग थे. छोटा सा घर था. मुझे छोटे से कमरे में तुमने बिठाया था और वहीं पे इडली. बाय द वे, आपके पिताजी ठेला डाल के एक इडली डोसा बेचते थे.
Exactly.
वेयर इन मुंबई?
In Kurla.
कुर्ला.
Yes.
मतलब जो रास्ते पे ठेला डाल के.
Exactly.
Still does it or no?
No, he still does it.
He still does
He
it.
still does it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So he is an entrepreneur.
Exactly, he is. He is. The scale may be different, but he is an
He's a
entrepreneur.
traditional and you are.
Exactly. We are a bit more digital. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the next topic from the book called MVP.
Yeah.
Minimum viable product. I think is the core of lean startup. And thanks to this book, मैंने decide किया था कि पहले शुरू में सोचा था कि बड़ा बड़ा कुछ करूँगा, ख्याली पुलाव. And one concept तुमने unknowingly लोगों को सिखाया about beginner's luck. कि 2 दिन में पैसा आया 1 लाख. तो हमको लगता है ये सक्सेस है. That is not success, that is beginner's luck. शुरू में कुछ भी नया करोगे ना, बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आता है. अपने रिलेटिव्स वगैरह सब फ्रेंड्स हेल्प करते हैं. एंड देन देयर इज अ वैली फॉल डाउन. तो ख्याली पुलाव नहीं करने का, बी ऑन द ग्राउंड. 2-3 साल अगर कोई स्टार्टअप टिका, दैट मीन्स यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. सो लर्निंग दिस MVP, अ नॉन टेक गाय, मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये मैं बुक समरीज कैसे शेयर करूँगा एज पार्ट ऑफ मिशन मेक इंडिया रीड. आई रेड अ स्टोरी, इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. एक आदमी था गांव में. एक बार शाम को जंगल से जा रहा था और बरसात होती है, तो ही टेक्स शेल्टर अंडर अ ट्री एंड ही लुक्स एट 2 एनिमल्स, अ काव एंड अ पिग, टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. इट्स फिक्शनल स्टोरी एंड ही इज लिसनिंग टू देम केयरफुली. एंड पिग सीम्स टू बी कंप्लेनिंग कि क्या रे, मैं भी लोगों को खाना देता हूँ, मुझे भी लोग काट के खाते हैं, पर सब लोग तेरी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, गाय की पूजा करते हैं, और मुझे तो कोई करता नहीं, सब ऐसा छी करते हैं, ऐसा क्यों? And the answer that the cow gives to the pig was a big lesson for me, a startup lesson for me. कि देखो भाई, जो मराठी में इसको डुक्कर बोलते हैं पिग को, कि तुम्हें ना, तुम मरने के बाद सब देते हो, whereas मैं अभी आज जिंदा होते हुए दूध देती हूँ, उसका दही बनता है, उसका चीज बनता है, उसका बटर बनता है, पनीर बनता है. सो आप आज क्या कर रहे हो इम्पोर्टेंट है. व्हाट आर यू शेयरिंग टुडे? People believe your current behavior, not your future promises, future behavior, right? That is a big thing for me.
Okay.
So तुमने कहाँ ऐसे नुस्खे लगाया जहाँ पे पैसा सेव किया?
Okay, before coming to that, you said exactly, how you started Lean, and I've been with your journey for almost 5 years
More
now.
than that, yes.
Right? So yes, and I was really inspired by your story because जिस तरीके से you started, सिर्फ WhatsApp के groups थे. Okay, तभी I think broadcast भी नहीं था, just groups थे. You had multiple groups and then you started sending in. फिर उस पे से once you started getting response, then you came into audio.
Yes.
Right? So that is how एक innovation का जो एक principle भी है, build, measure, learn. Okay, वो आपने indirectly imply किया है.
And जब 10 लाख लोग हो गए, WhatsApp had banned me
Okay.
for sending so many messages.
Then, okay, now there is a problem, we need a solution. So then you thought about building an app. Okay, this is the right time. Interesting.
Correct. So this was the big lesson from the book, कि don't check what people are saying. See what they are doing. Because we ourselves don't know ourselves nicely कि हम बोलते हैं क्या और करते हैं क्या. So how did you validate कि हाँ ये काम करेगा? Because social media marketing अभी गली गली में देखा जाता है.
Yes.
Yeah. You started that, तो तभी बहुत लोग कर रहे थे, या you were new in that ecosystem?
So 6.5 7 years ago, तभी भी लोग थे, players थे, but इतने सारे नहीं थे. Because of the COVID, it gave a lot of free time to people and they started learning it. Okay, but I always say, because when my team members come and ask, इतने सारे agencies हो गए, how are we going to differentiate ourselves? In any business, the end point is, are you providing value to your customer? Okay, in our case, the value is making sure they are getting results. अगर उनका कोई कंटेंट जा रहा है, आर दे गेटिंग द राइट रीच from the right target audience, and they're able to take the right target audience into customers and lifetime loyal fans. So if you're able to crack that, you will always have demand, no matter what business you are in. So book पे भी लिखा है about value hypothesis. Are you providing enough value to a particular target audience, and are they able to convert? So that way, in any business, not just in digital marketing, in any business you do, if you are able to provide enough value, I think you can sustain in any competitive market. Because the core principle of business is solving problems, and entrepreneurs are problem solvers, right? So if you are able to solve the customer's problem, एक line भी गए थे, eat your customer's complexity.
अच्छा.
So if your customer has a problem and if you are able to solve it based on the range or the scale of your solution, you will get paid.
Correct.
If you are solving a 10 rupees problem, okay, the customer is willing to give you 2 rupees or maximum 5 rupees, because he will also say 5 rupees. But if you are solving a $1 billion problem, that is how you can become billionaires.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And एक गलत फहमी लोगों को है कि नहीं, बड़ा प्रॉब्लम कोई ढूंढना है, यू डोंट फाइंड अ प्रॉब्लम ऑन गूगल,
Exactly.
यू फाइंड प्रॉब्लम इन योर नेबरहुड. कि हाउ अबाउट एन ऐप जो कुछ तो टेक्नोलॉजी स्कैन करके जो भी है, अच्छा है बुरा है, डाउन या अप, दैट्स ऑल.
Okay.
इट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम टू बी सॉल्व्ड बिकॉज कस्टमर को पता नहीं चलता है. दोनों को फायदा है ना, राइट?
Exactly.
Now, how to do it, I don't know, but such, if you observe keenly what are the problems around you, you will come out with great ideas. And that is how journey starts, right? तो ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि कोई बुक में प्रॉब्लम्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे.
No, definitely. In the book, you will get a solution. You may get a solution to solve the problem, but book में problems definitely नहीं मिलेगा. As you said, there are already problems in your life. आपको बाहर जाके you don't need to become the next Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk is already doing it. You just solve your own problem जो आपके life में है. And once you start solving it, there is always a group of people who want the same solution.
Yes.
And because of this internet and social media, you don't need to just cater to a local audience. If you have a very specific problem and if you are able to solve it, there are 1,000 people in the entire world जिनको same problem होगा.
Yeah, correct.
You just need to solve it for them.
और हम क्या करते हैं, कंप्लेन करके छोड़ देते हैं.
Yes,
उसके हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ो, that is nothing but a startup.
exactly. And that is purely entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Exactly.
So where you tried to save money, तुमने एकदम बड़ी टीम बनाई day one, कैसे किया?
Okay, so when we got started, I was just one person. Okay, जो वो पैसा आ रहा था वो तो सैलरी में ही जा रहा था. So I wasn't in a position to even get a team. Yeah, or even an office space, even not even a co-working space. So आप जिस रूम पे आकर बैठे थे उसी रूम मेरा ऑफिस था.
Yeah, I know, दुकान जैसा शटर था.
Exactly. So वहाँ पे बैठ के काम करता था. I used to make client का जो भी काम था, जैसे वेबसाइट बनाना है, क्रिएटिव्स बनाना है. I am not so good in creators. Website I can make it. So मैं क्या करता था, मैं जो freelancers होते उनको दे के काम करता था, because I am not in a stage to get a full-time graphic designer.
This is a big lesson for all of us. उससे fixed cost, the biggest risk in startup is fixed cost.
Exactly.
Salary.
Yes.
Rent.
Yes.
So freelancers is like, ठीक है, order आया तो काम
Exactly. हाँ, if I'm making 500 rupees and giving you 300 rupees, मेरे पास 200 है. I'm still in profit. But if I get a designer, let's say 25,000, 30,000, जो भी, वो एक fixed cost हो जाएगा. Okay, even as a beginner level. So यहाँ से जो भी पैसा बना रहा हूँ वहाँ पे चला जाएगा. So I will not be in a position to even sustain for a longer period of time. So in the initial stage freelancers रख के काम करो, काम वैसे चल रहा था. But there will come a threshold जहाँ पे आप freelancers रख के काम नहीं कर सकते थे, because there has to be a constant communication. You will get certain ideas जहाँ पे आप idea convey नहीं कर पाते. Sometimes the client wants the designer to be at their place.
Right.
उस टाइम पे you can't get a freelancer take it over there. So एक ऐसा threshold आया in being social जहाँ पे they said okay we need to get a graphic designer now. फिर जब ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स हो गया था उसका थ्रेशोल्ड, ओके एक बंदा एक दिन में इतने क्रिएटिव्स बना सकता है, बट द क्लाइंट्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, गेट अनदर ग्राफिक डिजाइनर.
You got the confidence, financial confidence also.
You need that. एक certain point तक, if you are able to make a recurring amount of money in your business, then you can take a bigger risk.
Okay.
Let's say 3 लाख रुपए आ रहे, चलो 4 लाख रुपए तक हम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं, because you are sure to invest that extra 1 lakh and you can recover in the next month.
Right.
Yeah, but उसके लिए you need that financial backing. So एक डिजाइनर, 2 डिजाइनर हुआ, 3 हुआ, फिर उन 3 डिजाइनर को मैनेज करने के लिए नीड अ मैनेजर, बिकॉज आई एम फोकस ऑन गेटिंग मोर क्लाइंट्स.
डिजाइनर मतलब जो कंटेंट बनाते हैं, द ग्राफिक्स,
द क्रिएटिव्स, द रील्स जो सोशल मीडिया पे जाता है. सो वी डू इट फॉर आवर क्लाइंट्स. सो वैसे ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स बढ़ते गए. नाउ एज अ अलोन पर्सन आई कुडंट मैनेज द ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स एंड द क्लाइंट्स एंड गेटिंग मोर क्लाइंट्स. सो दैट इज व्हेन आई डिसाइडेड टू गेट अ मैनेजर. वैसे एक एक करके नाउ वी हैव ग्रोन टू अ टीम ऑफ 10 people. Yeah. Initially, just with one client, okay, एक client मिल गया, immediately मुझे graphic designer बैठना है, that would have been a huge mistake.
सो एज अ स्टार्टअप को फाउंडर जब तुम शुरू करते हो तो हमारे पास ज़्यादा रिसोर्सेस नहीं होते, लिमिटेशन ऑफ मैन पावर, मनी, टाइम। तो इसमें एक बोला है कि आस्क फॉर हेल्प। आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प इज अ साइन ऑफ ह्यूमिलिटी, नॉट वीकनेस।
Yes.
आई लव दिस आइडिया कि क्यों जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वो ईगो पकड़ के, अरे वो सीए हो गया, अभी तो स्टार्टअप शुरू कर रहे हो ना, इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद सीए, जॉब नहीं कर रहे हो, कुछ रेडीमेड नहीं मिलने वाला है। और स्टूडियो नहीं था तो एंड मैंने बेडरूम को ही ऑफिस में कन्वर्ट किया, ओके, यू हैव बीन देयर। तो उसको साउंड प्रूफिंग करना था क्योंकि माय हाउस इज इन वेरी प्राइम लोकेशन जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक का आवाज़ बहुत आता है, हॉन्किंग का आवाज़ आता है। तो मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला फेसबुक, तभी फेसबुक ज़्यादा चलता था, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, कि ऐसे से मुझे मिशन मेक इंडिया रेट पे काम करना है, ऑडियो समरीज कैन बी अ बिग थिंग, इट विल हेल्प यू टू नो रीड इन अ बेटर वे, न्यू वे, कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प मी by contributing 100 rupees, 500 rupees so that I can soundproof this small room और आपको अच्छे क्वालिटी के ऑडियो समरीज मिलेंगे और पैसों की बारिश होगी।
Okay.
सो आपने कभी ऐसे हेल्प दोस्तों से मांगे, some good friends who help you or anybody?
In the earlier startup जो the Curionics जो हमारा कॉलेज टाइम पे चलता था, उस टाइम पे we were focused on designing internet based ACs, internet based home appliances ताकि energy consumption कम हो. So that was the main goal. But that was a huge, it was a long term plan. We had certain mentors उस टाइम पे, so they said what you are building is great, okay, but can you do it right now in the college? Like no, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ना resources है, okay, ना आपके उधर investment है, ना capital है, and you're still, no matter how innovators you are, no matter how much you can think, you're still in college. So it comes with certain restrictions. But
औकात पे आ जाओ।
right, so then if you want to sustain the move or if you want to sustain the company for a long period of time, you need cash flow. Okay, that is when we thought we should pivot. Okay. IoT appliances बनाना है, great, energy consumption कम करना है, great, but अभी पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? So that way we thought of pivoting and then we decided to teach college students. हम 3 साल से कुछ सीख रहे हैं about Internet of Things, about the chips, electronics. Let's teach to other people. That pivot made us profitable.
Super.
Yeah, 3 साल से we didn't make any money, but then 2 दिन में we made a lot of money.
Right.
Yeah, and I think that is also one of the reasons the lean startup works really well. For a long period of time, you're not doing or you're not making much in sales. Okay, आप छोटा पैसा कमा रहे हो because you're more focused on value hypothesis and growth hypothesis जो book में है.
And not
Right?
profit initially.
हाँ. So for example, are you providing enough value? Yes, through your app, through your services, through let's say hardware, through your products, anyway. And then growth hypothesis, are you regularly getting customers? Okay, आप बहुत value provide कर रहे हो लेकिन सिर्फ 5 जन use कर रहे हैं. It's of no use. Every week, are you getting more customers? If it's a mobile app, or let's say if you are selling a luxury product, but it's a need. Okay, are you getting customers every month or every year because it's a high ticket sales? Okay, value hypothesis and growth hypothesis दोनों workout हो रहा है क्या? In the second time when we pivoted, that is when we were able to do both. We were able to provide value, at the same time we were able to get students as our customers. So both worked through one pivot. जो आप casually बताए थे, so that is a very huge point in the lean startup.
That reminds me a friend, Kush Panchal. Best example of pivot.
Okay.
See, for me, an awesome idea is how fast you can execute it.
Exactly.
है ना, वरना ड्राइवरलेस टूरिज्म, स्पेस टूरिज्म भी तो बड़ी आइडियाज है, कैन आई एग्जीक्यूट इट? तो कुश पांचाल नेवर वेंट टू ट्रेडिशनल स्कूल्स, वो वैदिक स्कूल्स में गया था, गुरुकुल कंसेप्ट, जहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी नहीं सिखाते, अपने उपनिषद, वेद, पुराण, इस पे सब. सो वेरी धार्मिक गाय, योगा एक्सपर्ट, एंड ही वांटेड टू स्टार्ट अ स्टार्टअप डन विद एजुकेशन. क्या दिमाग लगाया लड़के ने, उसने क्या किया, he approached all the premium beauty parlors, मतलब जहाँ पे औरत अंदर जाएगी ना तो मिनिमम 50,000 का बिल करके आएगी. ऑल दोस बॉलीवुड मॉम्स और स्टार्स, बाहर मतलब BMW इज मोस्ट बेसिक कार, ऐसे कोलाबा, नरीमन पॉइंट, पॉश एरियाज. उनके पास जाके ओनर से बात की ब्यूटी पार्लर्स की, मुझे बस एक जो आपके जो लड़के या औरत आते हैं फेशियल करने को, पैक लगाते हैं ना, वो काकड़ी वगैरह रख के ऐसा, तो आधा घंटा रखना पड़ता है वो हवा. दे कांट इवन रीड अ मैगजीन बिकॉज आंखों पे काकड़ी है. वो आधा घंटा मैं उनको एक सेपरेट छोटे से रूम में लेके उनको मेडिटेशन वगैरह सिखाऊंगा फॉर फ्री. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए बदले में, तो कोई ना नहीं बोला। 10 में से 9 लोग हाँ बोले, हाँ हमारा क्या जाता है, एडेड वैल्यू है, कुछ दिमाग में जाएगा इनके, अच्छा सीखेंगे। फ्रॉम देयर ही क्रिएटेड कॉन्टैक्ट्स ऑफ elite people of Bollywood, the who's who of the town. No wonder he's doing very well now.
Great.
कहाँ से दिमाग में, तो मोस्ट फ्रूगल स्टार्टअप आई वुड से, राइट? क्योंकि द ऑफर वाज सो lucrative, they were difficult to reject. No downside for the beauty parlors. So this is a very good example of pivoting. मैंने भी ऐसे, I never printed a visiting card because I thought it's अभी गया है वो, मैंने खुद का बिहेवियर ऑब्जर्व किया। जब मुझे विजिटिंग कार्ड मिलता है तो कहाँ जाता है, ड्रॉर में पड़ा रहता है। व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि मेरा नंबर तेरे मोबाइल में आना चाहिए। Nowadays we check our phone book, not visiting cards. गए वो दिन, तो why waste time or time and money in printing visiting cards on those brochures वगैरह, हम लोग मोबाइल पे है ना, राइट? एक जबरदस्त कंसेप्ट, change in perception is worth 80 IQ points. And you are into marketing, of course you must be knowing the importance of this concept. Would you like to comment on this?
So when you say change in perception, and it also boils down to innovation, I like Snapchat and Instagram from that point of view. Yeah, they have been a constant. People have changed perception. Okay, and we've been, मतलब Instagram एक ऐसा platform है, okay, who have nailed everything when it comes to lean startup, चाहे innovation हो, changing the perception हो, because people are crazy about Facebook एक time पे. No, people don't use Facebook. They have changed the perception so much for Instagram. Instagram has become so addictive that people have shifted.
Yes.
पूरा Facebook का जितने भी audience है सब Instagram पे आ गए. There has been multiple points there because Mark Zuckerberg was smart enough to acquire Instagram. जब उन्होंने Instagram को acquire किया, it was $1 billion. उस टाइम पे Instagram had no revenue. Okay, उनके हिसाब से from an outsider point of view, you will think अरे पैसा ही नहीं कमा रहा Instagram. Why do they spend $1 billion in acquiring it? Okay, but 10 years later, it is one of the most profitable platform on earth, Instagram, because they've been always upfront in innovation and very frugal in starting, very frugal. So lean startup के let's say innovation हो या फिर pivoting हो, because earlier as जितना मुझे पता है Instagram was only a directory जिसपे लॉरी के फोटोज होते थे, more into transport के फोटोज होते थे. Yeah.
I didn't know this.
Yeah, जब 2010 पे start किए थे, but then they realized, okay, what their customers really want. One of the things that they really wanted was they only liked the photos. They may not connect with the lorry owner or the truck drivers, but उनके वो photos अच्छे लगे. So the founders took that one principle and made an app where you can post photos and others can like photos. That's it. Okay, MVP. bare minimum क्या कर सकते हैं, फोटोज डाल सकते हैं, कोई भी आ सकता है, रजिस्टर कर सकता है, फोटो डाल सकता है, बाकी उनके फ्रेंड्स फैमिलीज लाइक कर सकते हैं, उतना ही कॉन्सेप्ट था. बट इट वाज ग्रोइंग लाइक क्रेजी. आई थिंक जब अक्वायर किए थे फेसबुक अक्वायर, इट वाज सम 20 मिलियन यूजर्स, very active users, but they were not making any revenue. Zero revenue. Yeah, and I think recently ये भी release हुआ था जहाँ पे Mark Zuckerberg was having a conversation with his executives via email about Instagram. Yeah. So they were pitching Mark Zuckerberg का email. I'm not sure how true it is. He was saying they don't have any revenue, but they have 20 million active users. I think a good valuation will be anywhere between $500 million to $1 billion. Yeah, and then they acquired it. A very beautiful example of all the principles in this book. And they've been constantly innovating. Okay, इस पे एक और concept है about intrapreneurs. We are talking about entrepreneurs, but that's the concept of intrapreneurs. Okay, Facebook, we all know Mark Zuckerberg ने found किया था with his friends and everything. Facebook का जो fourth employee है, he's not an entrepreneur. He's an employee to Facebook, but he still made billions of dollars. Yeah.
But Facebook पे ऐसा provision है कि an employee can also come out with some innovation, but under the license of Facebook, and he will get the share of the revenue or the shares of that successful sub startup. ऐसा कुछ है?
It's like जब वो start किए थे, Facebook start किए थे, they were a group of let's say 3 people. Okay, वो co-founders थे. Okay, I think 3 or 5 वो number vary करता है. But then the employee who joined in the early stage of that startup, उनको उन्हें ESOPs दिया सर, employee stock options. Yeah, either you can work at a lesser salary and get these stock options because they are a startup. उनके पास इतना पैसा नहीं to give a best developer what he deserves in terms of salary. So they said कि भाई let's say if you are worth $100,000, I'll only give you $10,000. But इतना मैं तेरे को stock options देता हूँ.
So just for the viewers,
Sure.
ESOP, employee stock option जो होता है plan, मतलब सैलरी के अलावा if you want to be a part of the growth of the company, आपको कुछ shares either free or deeply discounted price पे employees को मिलता है, so that they can also grow along with the growth of the founders. Uh, you gave a wonderful example of Instagram. How they watched what people liked and they did not check what people say.
Exactly.
I'll give you one example. Let's test it. Ola, very successful app startup. What do you think? Why you like Ola? अभी तुम cab से आए. What do you think? You obvious answer will be it saves time. That's not the real reason.
Okay.
तुम देखोगे ना टाइम उतना ही जाता है जितना ट्रेडिशनल वे में हम रास्ते पे खड़ा रह के टैक्सी बुक करते थे. 10-15 मिनट एवरेज अराइवल टाइम रहता है. The real reason why we like Ola is कि वो दिखाता है कि 10 मिनट अराइवल टाइम है. इट रिमूव्स द अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी.
Oh.
वी हेट अनसर्टेनिटी.
Okay.
रास्ते पे खड़ा हूँ, टैक्सी मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी मुझे पता नहीं. दैट इज वेरी इरिटेटिंग. यहाँ पे नाउ आई नो इट इज गोइंग टू टेक 10 मिनट्स. मैं मेरा घर का काम करूंगा. सो वी लव सर्टेनिटी, वी लव प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी. दैट इज द रियल विक्ट्री. वो एक फीचर निकालो उसका एंड ओला विल बी अ फ्लॉप.
Damn.
एस्टिमेटेड टाइम ऑफ अराइवल.
ETA. Wow. Okay. Okay. So it's like 10 मिनट लग रहा है. I'm okay with it. But मुझे पता चला कि 10 मिनट लग रहा है. It is removing the uncertainty and the anxiousness. अरे गाड़ी मिलेगा कि नहीं, गाड़ी मिलेगा कि
अभी हमको खुद को पता नहीं है ये. Don't judge ourselves nicely.
I think that is also a good quote. We are very poor judges of ourselves.
Yes.
We judge other people very easily. क्या ड्रेस पहना है, कैसे behave करता है. But we do ourselves, but we are not
Correct.
a good judge of ourselves.
Correct.
Interesting.
As a corollary to that, we take decisions emotionally and then try to justify them logically.
Logically. So true. So true. I just said this yesterday to my team.
Yeah.
Yeah. कुछ तो marketing
Actually,
का principle
मैं कार से जा रहा हूँ और ऐसे देखा किसी दुकान में कोई अच्छा टी शर्ट है, बस ले लिया. बट देन आई जस्टिफाई कि नहीं नहीं वो ना वो वाला कलर का टी शर्ट मेरे पास नहीं था. इट वॉज पार्ट ऑफ द प्लान, इसलिए मैंने लिया. But real reason is I fell prey to the marketing gimmick जो है, पर बोलने को शर्म आएगी. It was an emotional call. I will never accept it. It will hurt my ego. Right? So you always take decisions emotionally and then try to justify them logically because you like to look like a logical, rational people.
Well, that's how marketing works.
Right. Okay. Let's move on to the next interesting topic about कि जब तुम कोई आइडिया लेके जाते हो और 10 लोग बोलते हैं इट्स अ स्टूपिड आइडिया, देयर इज अ हाई चांस इट विल बी अ हिट. Every super hit idea is a flop or a stupid idea until it's a hit. एक innovative author मुझे मिला, amazing idea. So he wrote a book, 200 pages book, How to Make Your Wife Happy.
Okay.
You know what the content of the book is? 200 blank pages.
200 blank pages.
Amazing idea. It has sold 1 lakh copies. You can go and check on Amazon.
Crazy.
So see, people started using it as a prank.
हाँ.
कि वेडिंग सेरेमनी में दोस्त को दिया, you know, स्पेशल ओकेजन्स पे गिफ्ट आइटम हो गया वो. Then he came out with second edition. Same topic, how to make your wife happy with 300 blank pages. So see, any idea is a stupid idea until it's a hit, until it is proved, right? Yeah, you have any particular topic which I must have missed out? You are free to discuss, okay?
Sure, sure. Yeah, you also remind me from a luxury point of view. Okay, let's say अगर आपको पर्स बेचना है, okay?
क्या बेचना है?
Purse, a handbag.
Purse.
A handbag बेचना है. You make it cheaper, you make it larger quantities, trying to get the entire market. But you do the opposite thing. You only make 10 purses. You sell it for 3 crore rupees. You automatically become a luxury brand. Yeah. Huge profit. Okay, lesser inventory, but you position your brand in such a way that people are willing to pay that extra premium, okay, just because you think you're a luxury brand. Because luxury, exactly, perception designing.
Yes.
Okay, उस पे भी वही बनने वाला है. Okay, just like you get a Rolls Royce or you get a Honda Civic. Travel ही करने वाले हैं. Now that's one way of looking at things. But you change the perception, you get into a Rolls Royce, you get this comfort, you feel that you're in the top 1%. To change that perception. They precisely design that perception so that people will buy it no matter what the cost. 7 lakh, 8 lakh का गाड़ी खरीदते हैं. It's doing the same thing, travel, but because they did the opposite, and it worked.
Correct.
It works a lot in marketing, but उतना आपको branding and marketing करना पड़ता है. So it really works. We are 10 members right now, and let's say if you are working on an idea कि let's say client का creative कैसा जाना चाहिए, brand deck कैसा दिखना चाहिए. I always appoint one person in my team. He's also the experienced person in my team. So almost 5 years we are working together. So I tell him, you need to say everything opposite to what the team says. If the entire team agrees on something, you need to tell the opposite. And he does that. Okay, if everyone says, okay, we should do it, okay, A is the right option, he would say, why not B? Yeah. उसका सिर्फ एक ही काम था during any discussion to turn that into a debate.
नया एंगल आएगा उसमें.
Exactly. And if everyone is thinking the same way, either you're 100% right or everyone is missing a very important point. Which, while this conversation, when he says कि नहीं कुछ तो गलत है, क्या गलत है? Let's find out. लेकिन कुछ तो गलत है. So that way you will be in a much better position to think out of the box. That is one thing when we think about the opposites. ये मेरे team पे it has worked since we were a team of just 4 people and अभी तक वो चलते आ रहा. And I think this is something everyone should follow. Yeah.
जेफ बेजोस ने सेम बोला है in different words that once you are an expert but still thinking like a beginner is very difficult.
Very difficult.
Expertise is the enemy of creativity.
Wow.
Holding two opposite views at the same time in your mind is a sign of intelligence.
Exactly. Questioning your own beliefs pattern is very tough. You always feel since childhood you've been conditioning in a certain way कि ये सही होता है ये गलत होता है. But having both the thoughts and then analyzing is extremely tough.
Yes. I love this next concept called randomness. So, randomness में innovation छुपा हुआ है. Right? Best example is 10-15 साल पहले जब एक आदमी एक आइडिया लेके आया था अपने बॉस के पास. How about putting a camera in a mobile?
Okay.
You won't believe, Venkatesh, that guy was sacked by his boss for coming up with such a stupid idea.
Okay.
And I can empathize with the boss. अगर मैं उसके शूज पे रहता शायद मैं भी ये गलती करता. Because in hindsight it's very easy to अरे हाँ it's a hit idea.
हाँ.
आजकल taking selfies is more activity than calling from on the phone. Yeah, it's more common. But I can understand two random things, camera and mobile. बॉस बोला कि अरे पापा मोबाइल कॉलिंग के लिए होता है एसएमएस के लिए तक हु द हेल विल टेक पिक्चर्स कोडैक वगैरह इतने डेडिकेटेड डिवाइसेस है फोटोज क्यों लेगा कोई बंदा बट वी नो द रियलिटी राइट वी टेक मोर सेल्फीज देन कॉलिंग सो व्हेन यू कंबाइन टू रैंडम थिंग्स एंड पुट टुगेदर देयर इज अ हाई चांस ऑफ इनोवेशन हाउ अबाउट पुटिंग अ कैमरा इन अ फ्रिज सो दैट व्हेनेवर द चाइल्ड ओपन्स द फ्रिज टू ईट मंच the camera will take pictures and videos and send to his parents so that the parents will keep a check on his eating habits. Wow, now it makes sense.
Exactly.
Amazing idea, $1 million idea. दर्शकों लेना है तो ले लो idea, no royalty. मैं कुछ चार्ज नहीं करूँगा. So random चीजें दो and randomness unfortunately is the opposite of logic.
It is.
Logical people don't like randomness. Because देखो बच्चा ये ना कुछ भी दो खिलौने को मिक्स करके कुछ भी खेलेंगे बक्से के साथ खेलेंगे राइट तो इंटेलिजेंट लोगों को पसंद नहीं है राइट सो यू हैव एनीथिंग टू कमेंट ऑन दिस
सो ट्रू एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज वी बीन थिंकिंग कि ऐसा ही करना चाहिए ये पैटर्न है वो रैंडमनेस में अच्छा नहीं लगता
करेक्ट
या इवन वी आर यूज्ड टू दैट वीकली पैटर्न 5 दिन काम करना है 2 दिन छुट्टी 5 दिन काम करना है 2 दिन छुट्टी ओके एंड जब वो 2 दिन छुट्टी आते हैं इवन वांट बी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स 2 दिन छुट्टी मिलता है उस दिन मैं अपना बिजनेस बिल्ड करूंगा बट अरे नहीं यार नेक्स्ट 5 दिन मुझे वापस काम करना है 2 दिन में फ्री ले लेता हूँ. So that breaking the mold, coming up with random ideas and working on that idea is it's a very small amount of people who actually do that.
Yes.
Yeah, because
Akshay Kumar is a very good example. Typically क्या हमारा working time रहता है सुबह 10 से रात को उसका working time is 7 to 2 p.m.
Okay.
His working day ends at 2 p.m. और उसके बाद he gives time to his health, family, socializing.
He also sleeps by 8 p.m. Yeah. Something like that.
That's what breaking the old beliefs, creating your own schedule. Takes a lot of courage.
Exactly. And now people may think because he's Akshay Kumar, he is able to do that. It's actually the opposite. He was able to do that, then he became Akshay Kumar. That is how it actually is.
Well said, well said. So guys, you must have come to know that nowadays internet has revolutionized everything. It is a new kind of democratization, I would say, right? Ki anything can be converted into a mission, a business, a profession, thanks to internet. Yeah. एंड अभी वो ऐसा नहीं रहा है कि करियर्स आर देयर ऑन naukri.com. नहीं, यू कैन कस्टमाइज योर ओन करियर. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली पेरेंट्स जो बोलते हैं ना बच्चों को ये क्या तो कभी ये करता है कभी वो करता है सेटल हो जाओ, ऐसा रॉन्ग पेरेंटिंग. लेट देम एक्सप्लोर, never settle till the age of 25. मैं बोलता हूँ. Just explore and then you'll connect all those dots.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly.
So I see that you have also customized your career to tap into your multiple passions. Am I right?
Exactly. And it makes your overall work easier. For example, we have a lot of fun in our company. Yeah. That may or may not be our business work, but we have a lot of fun because I love Richard Branson. He's a guy who is more oriented towards fun. You build a business, you make money, but at the same time, you have fun with your team members, with your friends and family. That's how you can have a fulfilled life. Yeah. So that is one thing that I've always been more focused on. Having fun while also making sure you're building a business.
Super.
Yeah.
So-
And all your skill sets kahin na kahin kaam aata hai because your uniqueness is what you've been learning or what your specific skill sets are. Public speaking, okay, UI design, okay, or let's say persuasion. These things help you down the line. You may not realize कि ये सीखने से ये होने वाला है because that is standard education. आप engineering करो job मिलेगा आप यही करना. That is standard education. But when you also chase what you're genuinely curious about, that curiosity will take you to certain places, will make you meet certain places because you will excel. क्योंकि वो curiosity का off button नहीं होता है. 8 घंटा काम करो वो नहीं होता है. You are genuinely curious. Rightly, as you said, in the age of internet, okay, there are so many things. People are competing for attention. But if you are unique, people will be attracted towards you. ये कुछ तो अलग कर रहा है. Yeah, but that uniqueness will attract a tribe of people towards you, and that tribe will make sure you make money.
Correct.
Yeah.
Richard Branson has rightly said that do what you love and you no need to work for a single day for the rest of the day.
Exactly.
And he is a very good example of it. So guys, if even one viewer gets inspired after listening to this conversation and the discussion or the topics from this book and starts his own startup, regardless of whether it is successful or failure, we will say that mission is accomplished and the book is successful.
Exactly.
So please work on your passion, because when you work on your passion, work doesn't remain work, it becomes play.
True.
And who doesn't like to play the whole day?
Exactly.
You don't have to wait for a Monday to work. You don't have to wait for a Sunday to enjoy. They all are same, like us.
Exactly.
So thank you so much, Venki, for coming.
Thank you.
An awesome discussion, and all blessings to your startup. Yeah, and it may grow so big that it will no more be a startup. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy reading, and bye bye.